Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the RedotPay Virtual Card. First, log into your RedotPay account. Go to the Cards section and select your virtual card. Check the available balance and look for an option like Transfer to Wallet if it is supported. Keep in mind that some platforms do not allow moving funds from a virtual card back to your wallet. If your funds are already in your wallet balance, open the Wallet section and select Withdraw. Then choose cryptocurrency as the withdrawal method and select USDT, with TRC20 recommended for lower fees. Paste your external wallet address such as Binance or Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Complete any required email or 2FA verification, then wait for blockchain confirmation. With TRC20, this usually takes just a few minutes. If you have a physical RedotPay card instead of a virtual one, you can withdraw cash at any ATM that supports Visa or MasterCard. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and withdraw the desired amount. Note that virtual cards usually cannot be used at ATMs. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.